Tigercat has been building skidders for over 10 years. Tigercat skidder frames are fabricated with thick plate. Tigercat skidders are heavier than competitive machines because of the extra steel in the frames. The steel cylinder lugs are tied to the axle house. This transmits the forces through the strongest section of the frame. Tigercat uses thick-wall steel guarding over the exhaust components routed outside of the main engine house. It's a small detail, but the result is increased protection and longer life. The Tigercat center joint is renowned within the industry for long life and low maintenance. The center joint is constructed with thick steel plate, large pins, and tapered roller bearings. The bearings are preloaded with shim packs to eliminate play in the joint. The steer cylinders are oversized with large pins and pin mounts. The cylinders are designed specifically by Tigercat for forestry applications. They are not off-the-shelf items used on construction or agricultural machines. Compared to those found on competing machines, Tigercat cylinders have a larger bore wall thickness and larger diameter rods. The rod eyes are forged and the cylinders are equipped with long-life seals. Thanks to larger cylinders and optimal boom and arch geometry, Tigercat skidder operators can move the arch forward while pulling heavy loads. This allows the operator to reposition the load while traveling to maximize tractive effort. Tigercat has developed a range of dual-cylinder grapples for the 620C and 630C. Each grapple offers the largest tip-to-tip opening in its class, making it easier for the operator to pick up large or irregularly shaped bunches and double bunches. Plate or box tongs are available depending on the species, climate, application, and operator preference. Traditional mechanical winch drives only produce maximum line pull during the optimal torque output speed of the engine. On Tigercat skidders, the winch is driven hydraulically, allowing maximum line pull at any engine speed. The operator does not have to rev up the engine to operate the winch. The drive system is capable of exerting high drive forces at very low speed, putting large loads on the dozer blade when moving trees. The blade is designed to withstand these loads. Tigercat skidders can pile trees higher and more quickly. The blade incorporates a water tank system for ballast and onboard pressurized water. Tigercat skidders' electrical systems are 24 volt. This reduces amperage loads and increases battery life. The batteries are easily accessible and located away from the heat of the engine for significantly increased life. Tigercat skidders were designed with optimal weight balance in mind. This maximizes the counterweight effect and allows for greater payloads while maintaining full wheel contact with the ground. The hydrostatic drive system makes Tigercat skidders the easiest to operate. Two pedals control the drive system, one pedal for forward and one for reverse. No gear shifting or throttle control is required. The elimination of the gear shift allows the operator to keep one hand on the wheel and one hand on the joystick. This allows quicker responses and corrections from the operator. The seat, steering column, and controls are angled 40 degrees to the right. This puts the operator in a more comfortable position when operating the grapple and arch, or reversing. The result is faster cycle times and reduced operator fatigue. Given the choice, most operators would rather run a Tigercat skidder. Skidder production is dependent on two factors: payload and operating speed. Tigercat skidders offer the largest grapple sizes available to maximize payload. Tigercat skidders are hydrostatically driven, which provides the optimal operating speed in any situation. These two factors combined make Tigercat skidders the most productive on the market. Cost per ton is a calculation of productivity against total costs. Initial purchase price is just one factor of many. Variable costs, such as maintenance, repairs, and fuel, must be taken into account, as well as fixed costs, such as labor, insurance, and depreciation. Tigercat skidders may cost more to purchase, but offer substantially longer life, allowing the owner to reduce hourly ownership costs. Tigercat skidders require less repairs and are more fuel efficient, reducing variable operating costs. Lower costs and higher production results in lower cost per ton. Almost every harvesting contractor in the world is paid per ton or cubic meter, not per hour. A reduction in the cost per ton results in higher profits for the contractor. Transport wood to the deck at the lowest cost per ton with Tigercat skidders. Tigercat forestry machines. Tough, reliable, productive.